Hello viewer, here is a shape, we have used it and I will try another design here. Keep editing, make the changes. Here we are finding there. Let's make a new layer style to the shapes to make it more attractive. I will find a design there. Let's use it. So there is another one. We are going to find a new shape there. Thank you for watching my video. So change the design of the shape, go to the butterfly shape there, use and keep editing with the different features.